Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Daily Trader with Kevin Hincks. I'm Kevin Hincks. I have two paper money trades for you today to look at on two high-profile names. First, Tesla, coming off an extremely weak period of trading the last couple weeks. I'll give you those numbers in a minute. And then Palantir, a name that's in the news after a historic run and some news that we'll also talk about. First, let's get to Tesla. Now, if you look at Tesla, in the last month, down 14.9%. The last week, down 9.8%. Big moves in the last couple of days in Tesla. Now, it's up today, currently off its lows and up about 2% today. So let's look at a paper money trade if you were thinking about getting a bullish position in Tesla. And that is something we talk about a lot on this show, the call diagonal, going out to the March 7th expiration. So that gives you a certain amount of duration, right? It gives you 23 days, more than 3 weeks in the long side of the call diagonal. And then going into just this week's expiration, 2.5 trading days left, but still a $15 expected move this week. The expected move is still quite large. That means there'll be premium in the options. So I went in and bought the March 7th 335 call, just a little bit in the money. The stock is moving obviously a lot today, so it's a couple dollars in the money, and then looked at that $15 expected move and went in and sold the 355 call, so about $20 higher. We've got a $20 call diagonal on. We put that in around $17. It's currently trading about $18.50. That's give you an indication of how much these trades are moving. Now, can you adjust your strikes? Yes, you absolutely can. You can move the long and the short end up slightly if you wanted to, or just the one side or the other. You can move the date closer to expiration, which will lower the net debit. There's ways you can do that. It'll be less vega. It'll be less premium if you move that date closer, but you have less duration. It's that trade-off that we talk about all the time. So the risk on this trade, whatever the debit paid is. In this case, it was $17. Now it's over $18.50. Whatever you pay is the risk. And because you're selling 2 days, or let's see, because you're selling 2 days, buying 23 days, you will get a chance to extend duration on the trade if you so desire. So there's another way. You're collecting theta and you're looking for a move towards that short strike. In this case, the 355 strike in Tesla. Okay, there's our first trade of the day. Now the next one, Palantir. Palantir's in the news today. Cathie Wood announced that she sold $28.4 million worth of stock in Palantir. That stock, as you know, has had a pretty historic run lately. Remember, they're heavily into AI, but they've got a niche in AI that's quite impressive, actually. And so, but you look at the numbers there, 1 month up 75%, 3 months up 91% in 3 months. So the trade we're looking at there in Palantir is the put calendar spread. Going out again, I like to keep things the same. Buying March 7th, selling February 14th. Okay, buying the March 7th, and this time we're not doing a diagonal, we're just doing the calendar spread. What's the difference? Same strike in the calendar spread. So the 105 put spread. So right now where Palantir's trading, again, it's up, a couple percent today, 2.5%. We're buying the 105, about $10 lower than where we're trading right now. So Palantir going in, buying the March 7th, 105 put, selling the February 14th, 105 put. We put that in around 280. It's probably trading a little less than that, trading 277. So right at the level that it's trading right now. The risk on this trade, the debit paid. The peak where this would max out is Friday's expiration at or around the 105 strike. You're looking for, remember, this has got short deltas. The Tesla trade had long deltas. This has got about almost 17 short deltas in this trade in Palantir. So playing that incredible run in Palantir, reading the news that Cathie Wood had lowered her holdings in Palantir. So two trades today, a call diagonal in Tesla and a put calendar in Palantir. Both trades, the debit paid is the risk on the trade, and both trades you're looking for a movement towards that short strike. 355 in Tesla, 105 in Palantir. That's our show for today, everyone. Have a great day and a great afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow with another edition of Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks.